What's up, guys? First of all, I hope you guys are doing extremely well. So, this is episode 6 of the solving series where I solve code forces and lead code problems. And today we have this problem ICPC balloons. In an ICPC contest, balloons are distributed as follows. Whenever a team solves a problem, that team gets a balloon. The first team to solve a problem gets an additional balloon. A contest has 26 problems labeled A to Z. You're given the order of solved problems in the contest denoted as a string S, where the ith character indicates that the problem S of I has been solved by some team. No team will solve the same problem twice. Determine the total number of balloons that the teams received. Note that some problems may be solved by none of the teams. The first line of the input contains an integer t, the number of test cases. The first line of each test case contains an integer n, the length of the string. The second line of the test case contains a string s, the length n, consisting of uppercase English letters denoting the order of solved problems. For each test case, output a single integer, the total number of balloons that the teams received. So this is what I'm thinking of doing. So first we're gonna get the test cases, of course, then we're gonna get n, then we're gonna get s. Okay, then we're gonna keep, so basically then we're gonna have a map of char int and basically, and then we're gonna have our answer, and basically we're gonna run a for loop. I get 0, I less than n, I plus plus, and basically if there is no entry for s of I in the map, then we're going to say that ans is plus equal to 2. So this is gonna be the first time the problem appears. Then we're going to say m s of I equals 1, else ans is just gonna be plus equals 1. Okay, and then we're gonna see out ans for each test case, and I think this should work. So 3 ABA. Okay, we get 5 1A. Okay, we get 2 3 ORZ. Okay, we get 6 5 B 1 2 3 4. Okay, we get 7 4 BKPT. Okay, we get 8, and 10 is 10. Then code forces. Okay, we get 17. Okay, guys, so let's try to submit this. Okay, ICPC balloons. Okay, very nice, guys, so we get accepted. Okay, guys, so that is going to be it for today. So basically, what are we doing? So each time we encounter a new character, we increment the answer by 2 and we put it in the map. And each time, otherwise, that means the character is already in the map, which means it is not the first time we have encountered that letter, and we just increment the answer by 1. And that's basically it. Okay, guys, so thank you guys so much for watching this one as well. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next one. Until then, bye bye, take care.